So here, no, gitimbang na to is 7 kilograms. Again, 7 kilograms. No, or 6.9, no? 6.9. So here, atong gitimbang, no? Pinobre lagi niya ko, no? So here, atong gitimbang is 6.9 or 7, no? Again, ibutan na ito 7, no? So here, mo na ito ibutang ron store ni kano, no? Sa iyahang upper and lower, upper on the boat, no? So here, again, akong ikuan na. Good. So here, akong gitimbang, no? So here, again, pinubrira. So okay, mo lagi niya mo ang pagkatao de Sir Branson, no? Again, pubrira min then electrical nerve stimulator on the right, no? On the affected side. Again, good news today is about na, thanks God, no? For 4 days nga wata kay nahurot gid akong dopamine because of sa katong PayPal, no? Again, it's all my mistakes about I forgot my password, but please, no? Again, mohangyo lang ko nga mapadaling taon to ninyo kay di gini na ko makuha ng episode 3, no? Again, putol-putol siguro ni. By which lagi thank you for the US, yeah, for your nice message on the sciencestage.com. So there, no, December 18, so here Thursday, our area assess, no, on the size. So here atong gisukod sa tape measure, yeah. So here, watch out, no, kanong mga football player, NBA player, no, there, no. So again, 15.4 sa una, that was on the 11. Today is about as of 18, 15 inches na lang, no? 15 inches and 3 weeks and 4 days. On Monday is our 4 weeks already. PRS, no? Both on the upper extremity. Then 6.9 or 7, no? 7 kilograms. So here, again, pinubri yun, no? But, atong isukod mo na ni Armalite, no? In a brain of kano, Armalite na siya. Okay, here, 9. Muna ni siya, no? Siminto lang, ibutangan na to, no? Armalite na siya. Atong store ni kano, by which nga makalakaw-lakaw na gini siya. This is our 4th treatment sessions. Again, follow this one also because we have an MRI by which they say that partial tear here at the MRI of the Chunghwa Hospital. So there, no, partial tear, edema, name it, no. So 19 days, there is here. Again, we documented for the viewers, especially for the European, American, and British. Yeah, again, watch out this one. Positive on MRI, edema on ACL, partial tear on mid portion of the ACL, has edema subsided, no? Again, today is our 4th treatment sessions. Again, so here's kano, no? So, store the gasoline or gun in the brain. Thank you.